Well, here we are, ladies and gentlemen, number 10 Railway Crescent, right here in the heart of Moonee Ponds. My name's David Vaughan. Today we've got a very unique opportunity on offer. Approximately 611 square metres of residential land. This neat and tidy family home is going to be perfect for any size family. Let's go now through, take a wander. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. What a fantastic family opportunity we have on offer here today. This property here is going to suit a huge demographic of buyer. Whether you're that of the family, the professional couple, the investor, or even that of the developer subject to council approval, this home here absolutely ticks all the boxes. Not only that, but access to some of the area's finest amenities. You've got schools, both public and private, shops, recreational services, public transport infrastructure. It's all very, very close by. We look forward to seeing you at one of our open for inspections. Of course, if you can't make the open house time, feel free to contact myself or Jason Barbara and we'll get you through on a private basis. Once again, thanks for taking the online tour.